Hey, well, out here camping on the desert. It's only like mid-70s out here, so it's not as hot as whatever. But I was out here the other week and it was kind of warm in the daytime. I thought it'd be really nice to make a smoothie or something out here, you know. I mean, I'm it, man. No campground. I'm remote. And so I got this BlendJet cordless blender, and I've only used it a couple times at home. But anyway, I just thought it'd be fun just to make a smoothie out here. So like, this is not the cooking channel, okay? It's just me. That banana was bundled in a bundle. I just cut it off. So I lost a little bit of the stem there. And this is 16 ounces, so it's not like a full-size blender or anything. But I think I'll dump some ice in. I don't know how much. Dump in a little bit of some banana. It's probably plenty, I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, it's kind of different doing it's kind of different doing a small thing instead of like a big thing for smoothies, but oops. One for the squirrels or whatever's out here, I don't know. Probably not squirrels. So we'll just kind of maybe I can get one more small one like this in there. I'll just kind of, mostly just so it'll fit better. And I didn't realize that I could have used yogurt. I had strawberry yogurt that I had this morning, and I could have put that in here instead of milk or something, but I don't know how much to put, a little bit. Ooh, that might be too much. I have no idea whatsoever. But you're gonna watch it. This is the first smoothie I've made. All I've done so far is grind some ice. So we might as well have some scenery while I do this, right? There's my hammock I slept in made out of my poncho. So all you do is press this button and it'll start. It'll run for 30 seconds. There we go. Just gotta float that ice around a little. There we go. I just had to kind of get it started. I think dropping that ice in first, some of the ice got jammed between the blade and would have been better to put the banana there first probably, but anyway, so doesn't that look good? What am I going to serve it in? Well, I could put it in. This is probably kind of a big cup for it, but all right. Swing it back around here. I could just drink it straight out of here, right? But there we go. I could have put maybe a little less milk, looks like. I gotta admit, I'm like kind of excited. Ooh, yeah. So good. I gotta put a mustache, right? That's how you know it's good. I have to get my paper towels out. Mmm. Now it's not a blistering hot day today, but I just chalked this up to just practicing for the hot weather because I'm on the desert all the time anyway, so, you know, why not? Why not practice? Get it down so when the hot weather's here, you can make them like lickety split. That tastes pretty good, dadgummit. That tastes pretty good.